Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Vishwesh and finally we're gonna be talking about these very mirrors installed on my Classic 350 right over here. I mean, you guys had literally bombed me with questions about these mirrors, what these mirrors are, what the pricing, the pros, the cons and everything. So I'm gonna be taking up all those questions and much more in this very video. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the very end. So without any further delay, let's start with this video. Alright guys, so before I start with this video, just a quick reminder that in case you have still not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon so that all my informative videos can reach to you first thing in the morning. Your support means a hell lot to me, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. So guys, these are the mirrors that I have installed on my Classic 350, and what these mirrors basically are is that these are CNC anti-glare mirrors designed for low-rider motorcycles. What that actually means is these mirrors are made out of CNC aluminium and not some cheap die-cast material, which is all a very great thing because not only these mirrors are highly durable and are gonna last you for ages, but for a steep price point of 1500 rupees a pair, I expect nothing less. These mirrors are actually priced at 1500 rupees. I'm going to be dropping a link in the description below, so in case you want to buy a pair for yourself, then make sure you hit the link in the description and get one for yourself. About the anti-glare feature, that is a really great feature, not only because it imparts a distinctive look to these mirrors because of obviously the tinted finish that the glass themselves have in a bluish color, but because these make it a hell lot safer, especially for all those late night highway riding, because the highways are full of light coming onto your eyes when you're riding at the night time, especially from the vehicles behind you. So this is a great feature because not only it avoids all of that irritation from the light falling onto the eyes, but make your ride a lot safer. So that is such a great feature that I really love about these mirrors. I mean, I'm using these mirrors for almost a year now, so I think I'm in a very good position to give you a honest, in-depth user review. So I'm going to just telling you everything that I've actually felt. One more thing about these mirrors is that these mirrors, when compared to the stock Royal Enfield mirrors, you know, remember those tall mirrors that I like to call the rabbit mirrors? These mirrors offer a very distinctive advantage, which is in the form of anti-vibrations. Yes guys, the stock Royal Enfield mirrors actually vibrate like hell. I mean, especially if you're riding at 60 kilometers per hour or more, those mirrors vibrate so much that it leaves their entire function in those mirrors redundant. You just cannot see anything that is behind you clearly. But these mirrors, on the other hand, they don't vibrate at all, and I mean that is possible because of the way these mirrors are constructed. These mirrors, if you look closely, have a two-piece construction. When you'll buy these mirrors, you'll get them in pieces. The plastic bit which is attached to the handle with a hex key with a hex screw obviously is actually attached to this thing, which is actually the CNC part and the mirror assembly. It is held together by two Phillips screws. So what happens is when the vibrations are coming onto the handle, this plastic bit actually dampens that vibration and hence make these mirrors anti-vibration and free from all the vibrations, which is actually a very good feature. Also, if you look at these mirrors closely, they actually make your motorcycle look much beefier and much bigger, and that is possible because these mirrors are not tall, they are very low, they give a low clearance to the entire motorcycle. If you look at it from the rear side, your motorcycle will look much broader because of all that low rider feature that it gives. So that is something that I love about the mirrors. But now you'll be saying that, does it have any cons? Obviously guys, any product has its demerits, and so these mirrors actually have their own. The two demerits that these mirrors actually come with are, firstly, that these mirrors are priced at 1500 rupees a pair. I mean, not every day you go out and pay 1500 rupees for just a pair of mirrors. These are not an everyday mirror for the everyday person. You only will buy these if you love customization, if you love your motorcycle. So the price point is a bit steep, which is something that I consider as a demerit. Secondly, visibility. Yes guys, obviously since these mirrors don't protrude out too much, they are not very big, visibility is compromised a bit, but that can be fixed if you fix these mirrors in the way that I have attached them to my motorcycle. I mean, obviously just fix them, go for a ride, come back and make the adjustment according to your body size and your riding style. But this is the proper way of fixing these mirrors, so make sure you fix them just in the way that I have actually done. So I think that was all that I had to cover up with regarding these mirrors. If you have any more questions, just the comment section is as usual open. Drop your comments, tell me about what you like, what you disliked about this video. If you want me to make want me to make any more videos, just let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. So guys, that was all for today's video. See you guys in the next. Do follow me on social media. For following me, you can follow me here as well as here. So that was all for today. Till the next time, take care of yourself. Peace.